Welcome in. This is Haig on this from Haig Labs. We are going over the MaliceTV app. First things first, download Malice from the store. It is one-time payment of $4.99. And then create a profile. Also, there's optional onboarding. So now we're at the main interface. Let's go to the settings so we can unlock the app even further than what it is. Now we're at the settings, guys. Let's scroll down. Either you can put in your keys here or scroll down the app. You have different options for you to use later into your app. And go to manage sources. Now we're in add-ons, it's going to give you an address. You type in your PC and it will link you to the box itself. Now that we're in the desktop app, this is where you can copy and paste your keys and import compatible Stremio add-ons. Malice does not come with any sources. We supply a UI. So here's a quick video to show you how to get your TMDB key. Now that we're at the main screen, I'm going to show you some features. There's home, movies, shows, anime, and then the food recipe section. I do have to blur out some of the stuff. Welcome to the food section. This is powered by MaliceTV. There's many features in here. You can actually pick your meals by calorie count. You can save your recipes. You can also add food to your grocery list just in case you don't have it in your fridge. Now to one of my favorite sections is the music section. We have custom Malice music and also free radio and a little player that shows a video while the music is playing. It has many features. You can also go back to the food recipe and keep your music playing while you're looking up your recipes.
In the whole room freeze, girls looking over like, who is he? Gold chains dancing on my skin. One smile and I pull them in. Fresh fit, rooftop, summertime. Got your best friend.
We are still going, guys. Now this is the arcade section where you can bring in your own retro games into it. We got a nice front end built for you, and also we have Malice custom games. There is only one game in there right now, but there is more games coming soon. Our custom game is the Pirate Voyage. It's like an Oregon Trail sandbox game. I think you're gonna love it. Take a look, see if you can beat it.
The harbor bells were ringing clear, the dawn was cold and grey. We kissed the shore and raised the sail and turned our bows away. The gulls they wheeled above the mast, the town grew small astern. For every coin we'd yet to find 100.
We made it to the last feature, guys. Now this is where you can stream your PC right to it like a mini Plex. Pick your videos and go from there. We have a desktop app that goes along with it on our website. Please download that. The app will give you a code. You type that code in, and it will. This is the desktop app. It will give you a code. You type in Malice, add your folder with your content, and then you're off.